happen before that 2nd of December. If people have never listened to that tape before, they have to go and listen to it. Our BDM said, before that 2nd of December, something might change, which will make Biafra to be declared before that 2nd. And that is what happened. This woman took the bull by the horn, and all these people came out and started fighting against it. Just imagine when this Biafra was declared, everybody was happy. Both Biafras and non-Biafras, everybody was happy. All of a sudden, okay, Chukunkere, as I know, Harris, Awaputa. Meanwhile, the guy with an identity crisis. Yeah, Awaputa, no, with the since that time, that woman I don't know who could return or follow back. Since that time, I don't know who fall back. How Biafra follow them. I was thinking that if I don't know who fall back, the whole people is going to follow. I don't know who fall back. Nobody is interested in falling back. Falling back is we don't care about falling back. Even this woman that they are talking about now, that I don't this one is sure that want to bring on her platform called Madam Ariwa. I heard about it from Exodus Television, Exodus TV. I come from the 10. That woman has kept quiet for a very long time. I want that woman to just respect her old age. Follow the way she is doing her own test.
Listen. And see, the problem I have with some of our people is that we always feel headache on something that doesn't worth it, like something that doesn't carry any water. If they like, let them go and bring. If they like, let them go and bring Neniaya. If they like, I'm being honest. Listen, I'm not joking. If they like, let them go and bring Madam Oyibo. If they like, let them go and bring who again? If they like, let them go and bring Ifa Ejiofor. See, ndị ka ha na-akpọbata kịta ọ na-abụ ndị anabatara anabata ọ ndị ajụrụ ajụjụ Uche Mefo, let them go and bring Uche Mefo. If I want, let him go and bring Owazulike to graduate.
Why are you calling expiring people? These people you are mentioning have already expired.
Armstrong, thank you so much. My brother, hold on. Armstrong, thank you so much for your super chat. Biafra must come. God bless you for that. I appreciate you. Thank you. I really appreciate you. God bless you. So, my brother.
Armstrong, thank you for that.
Ndị na-ekwu na ajụla ajụ. Na ọnọdụ ajụla ajụ. Nna ajụ gị na Madam Ariwa na-ekwu ịma ọnọdụ sanction. That sanction is a spell. I don't know. She's not silent for nothing. Now what? I'm not sure, but I believe that something happened between her and PM.
Yes, something happened. Because this one I don't know. We'll talk about it somehow.
So the issue of Madam Ariwa, they are bringing all this because they want to prove a point. And remember, 80% of them all have issue with the PM. They are not seeing one animosity against PM. 80% of all of them.
Yes, you're right.
So what do you expect? So if they want to gather together, when they brought Gaddafi, they made Madam. Some of them, because of the push, the way the reaction of Biafra, the way the Biafra reacted when Gaddafi appeared. That's why all of them choose to now support off camera. You are right. Go to why social platform. People calling her. They are unknown voice. The voice that don't normally hear. And people commenting. People that they don't even. These are DOS. Ask yourself. People that were supporting DOS are shouting. Where are they today? They are the one making all this. Maybe we do a separate video on that. But what I'm saying is that You don't need to start.
Kai.
You don't need to feel headache
Kai,
of anybody
Kai,
coming
you
back.